Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to scan QR code in WhatsApp business account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the WhatsApp business application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and link your account to your number to your account and WhatsApp application. But if you guys having a hard time doing this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos. So guys, now when we did this, you just need to go and see, as you can see what we have here. We have the bottom of the screen where we have the updates, we have the calls, we have the tools, we have the chats, and at the end we have guys the settings option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and scan QR code in WhatsApp business account. It is pretty simple and just takes a few steps, so guys, do not forget to go and follow all. So what you need to do guys, it's pretty simple. Basically what you need to do is go to the settings option, and as you can see here in the settings option, you have a lot of options. What you need to do is click on the under here near your name and your profile picture on the QR code. You need to click on that, and here you can go and share your code. Click your code, and that's how people can go and add you, or you can go and scan the code, as you can see in the top right corner. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And of course guys, this really helps us grow the channel, so if you have a few seconds guys to do this, it will mean the world to us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope to see you in the next one, and that will be that. I'll be seeing you in the next one guys. Bye guys.